Good morning, student. Now is the same chapter relation and function. And relation is A related B, right? Yesterday I have discussed on relation. Relation, there are three types of relation. One is the reflexive, second is symmetric, third is transitive. First thing, what is the reflexive relation? Then A related to A. Self का self relation, that is reflexive relation. What is the symmetric relation? Then A related B implies B related A. And now the transitive relation, then A, B, C, there are three elements. Now A related B and B related C implies A related to C. और जिस क्वेश्चन में अगर आपने तीनों रिलेशन प्रूव कर दिए, दैट मीन दिस इज इक्विवेलेंस रिलेशन. तो स्टूडेंट, that is 8 to 10 question is depend on equivalence relation. What is the equivalence relation? That means R is a reflexive, R is a symmetric and R is a transitive. Now this question is this is NCERT question, and maximum time is the condition is changes, then now prove that R is an equivalence relation. So, condition is given A related B implies mod of A minus B is divisible by 5, and for every A and B is a belongs integer. So, first thing, now start, right? First thing is a reflexive relation. Reflexive relation. Student, reflexive relation, now taking is only a single element. Let A is a belongs is given integers number, and हमें रिफ्लेक्सिव रिलेशन प्रूव करना है. दैट मीन्स ए रिलेटेड ए लेके आना है. आप सब्स्टिट्यूट कर दीजिए ए इज ए बट बी इज ऑल्सो ए. देन अप्लाई द कंडीशन ए रिलेटेड ए, दैट इज द मॉड ऑफ ए माइनस ए इज डिविजिबल बाय 5. फर्स्ट थिंग, मॉड ऑफ ए माइनस ए इज 0 and divisible by 5, that is a 0 upon 5, that is 0. इसमें A और B किसी को भी belongs कर रहा हो, but result is also belongs integers number. Result हमेशा integers number को belongs करनी है. That means A related A. Therefore, R is a reflexive relation. Same. Now, the second thing, now heading is a symmetric relation. It's a symmetric relation, now taking two elements, one is A, second is B, and A and B is belongs given integers number. अब symmetry की definition होती है A related B implies B related A. यानी now taking A related B, right, and now find B related A. So now taking A related B, then applies the condition mod of A minus B is divisible by 5. First step, line, right? And now second step, then what is the meaning of A minus B is divisible by K? That means mod of A minus B upon 5, and now the result is K, that is a cross multiply, that is a 5K. Divisible or multiple, that is the meaning is same, mod minus A minus B is equals to 5K, right? And where K is a belongs integers. हमें सपोज कर लिया ए और बी कोई भी इंटीजर्स नंबर, उनके डिफरेंस को अगर हम 5 से डिवाइड करते हैं, देन रिजल्ट इज के, राइट. बट हमें लाना है बी रिलेटेड ए. अब अगर हमें बी रिलेटेड ए लाना है, तो दैट मीन्स इज अप्लाई ए इज बी, बी इज ए, तो दैट इज अ मॉड बी माइनस ए. नाउ द नेगेटिव साइन इज कॉमन, देन नेगेटिव साइन इज कॉमन, बट मॉड में नेगेटिव इज पॉजिटिव. देन मॉड ऑफ बी माइनस ए इक्वल्स टू 5K. दैट मीन्स मॉड ऑफ बी माइनस ए is divisible by 5. That means, right, B related A. A related B लेके चले और B related लेके आगे. Therefore, R is a symmetric relation, right? But now is a for every line में for every A B is a belongs I, for every A B is a belongs I, for every A B is a belongs I, every line for every A B is a belongs I. Now is a third relation, transitive relation. It's in transitive relation, now taking three elements, right, let three elements A, B and C is a belongs integers number. And what are the definition of transitive relation? Now taking A related B and B related C. And now find A related C. आपको A related B and B related C लेके चलना है और A related C लाना है. So now taking A related B, then apply the condition mod of A minus B is divisible by 5. What is the meaning of mod A minus B? What is the meaning of this line? That is the mod A minus B equals to 5k, where k is a Blanks integers number. This is equation first. And now B related C, then apply the condition. What is the B related C? Then mod of B minus C is divisible by 5. Then mod B minus C equals to 5k dash. B and C are different integers, that is the difference result, but k dash is a Blanks integers number. This is equation second. But हमें लाना A related C, that means अगर इसको condition में apply करते हैं तो mod of B minus C. So now adding first and second, but आपको लिखना नहीं, now from first and second. Now adding first and second, left to left and right to right. So left hand side को add करेंगे तो that is a mod A minus B plus mod B minus C equals to 5k plus 5k dash. Right? This is the property of mod A minus mod Z1 plus mod Z2 is a whole of mod Z1 minus Z1 plus Z2. That means A minus B plus B minus C whole mod. 5 is common, k plus k dash, and then b to b cancel, mod A minus C equals to 5, k is a Blanks integer, k dash is a Blanks integer, that is the sum of k and k dash is also Blanks integer, now k double dash. आपको लिखना होगा k is a Blanks integer, k dash is a Blanks integer, then implies k plus k dash is a Blanks integers, now denoted by k double dash, right? So this is mod A minus C is divisible by 5, then A related C. Therefore, R is a transitive relation. तो सर जिस क्वेश्चन में अगर तीनों रिलेशन प्रूव कर दो, R is reflexive, R is symmetric and R is transitive, then hence R is an equivalence relation. So what is the equivalence relation? R is a reflexive, R is a symmetric and R is a transitive. Now is another question. Suppose आपके सामने क्वेश्चन है और अगर आपको चेक करने को आ जाता है कि नाउ चेक कि R is a reflexive, symmetric and transitive, उस कंडीशन में चेक करने के लिए reflexive, symmetric and transitive, there are three relations. What is the definition of reflexive? A related A, self का self relation. But what is the symmetric? A related B and B related implies B related A. And what is transitive? Now taking three elements, right, A, B, C, and what are the definition of transitive? A related B and B related C, then implies A related C. Now look here, suppose एक क्वेश्चन आ गया और चेक करने को आ गया कि now check this is the relation is reflexive or not. Now the question is, condition is given, set S है, relation को S से denote किया गया, show that S is the set of the real number, sorry check the real number, and where A, B order pair में given है and such that AB is a belongs to real number, and now A is less than equals to B cube. ठीक है स्टूडेंट, बुक का आंसर का क्वेश्चन है एंड फॉर एवरी ए बी इज बिलोंग्स रियल नंबर को बिलोंग्स कर रहे हैं. अब आपको चेक करना है. सबसे पहले बात करते हैं रिफ्लेक्सिव की. कंडीशन देखिए, ए इज लेस देन इक्वल्स टू बी क्यू, राइट. सपोज नाउ टेकिंग एनी टू रियल नंबर, जब चेक करना हो तो विथ एग्जाम्पल, नाउ टेकिंग एनी टू रियल नंबर, सपोज रियल नंबर -2 and -2, क्योंकि बहुत नेगेटिव, राइट. 1 और 2 ले लेते हो आप, तो A is 1 and B is 2, तो 1 is less than cube of 8. This is true. That means R is reflexive. But एक भी numbers के लिए not, तो that means not. So suppose करो first relation reflexive check करना है. Reflexive relation, right? मैंने element ले लिए -2, -2. -2 related -2. ऑर्डर पेयर में भी लिख सकते हो आप, और इस तरीके भी ले सकते हो। -2 रिलेटेड -2 को कंडीशन में अप्लाई करूंगा, दैट इज द -2 इज लेस देन इक्वल्स टू -2 होल क्यूब। दैट मीन्स -2 इज लेस देन what is the cube of -2 is a -8. This is false, right? That means -2 is not related -2. Therefore, R is not reflexive relation. तो स्टूडेंट R reflexive relation है कि नहीं? अगर एक भी नंबर के लिए not, that means not. This is R is a not reflexive relation. Now symmetric. अब symmetric के लिए suppose करो 1 और 2 ले लिए. Now taking two elements, right? Taking any two real number, जैसे हमने यहाँ -2 belongs to real number, right? Let -2 is a real number. Symmetric, second relation symmetric check करना है, symmetric relation. Now taking two elements, 1 and 2 is a belongs to real number. Then apply is the condition 1 related 2. Symmetric की definition A related B लेके चलो और B related 1 related 2 को condition में apply किया, that is the 1 is less than equals to cube of 2, that is 8. This is true, but 2 related 1, that implies 2 is less than equals to cube of 1, right? This is false. क्या आपका A related भी true होना चाहिए, लेकिन B related A true है कि नहीं उसके according, तो that means therefore 2 is not related 1, right? 1 is related 2, but 1 is related 2, then implies 2 is not related 1. Therefore, R is not symmetric. सेम थिंग सपोज करो हमें चेक करना है ट्रांजिटिव। अब ट्रांजिटिव के लिए 3 एलिमेंट्स, आपको ये ध्यान रखने कि हमें जो 3 एलिमेंट लेने हैं वो ऐसे एलिमेंट लेने जो कई कंडीशन के लिए 1 2 3 ले आपका प्रूव हो जाएगा। लेकिन अगर सपोज करो 25 3 2 3 एलिमेंट ले लिए मैंने, 25 ट्रांजिटिव रिलेशन, राइट? Now taking 3 elements, 25, 3 and 2 belongs set A, sorry, set R, right? This is the relation is denoted by S. Now this is S, this is S, S is not relation, S is not transitive, this is denoted relation को आपको ऐसे निकलेगा, S R already real number को prove कर रहा है, so now S. Now this is it belongs as we are set of real number. चलिए 3 number 25 related 3. Apply the condition. 25 is less than cube of 2, 8. 25 3 2. 25 3 2. 25 is less than 8. Right? 25 3 3 is 3 का क्यूब, सॉरी 25 लेटर देन 3, 3 का क्यूब ऑफ 3 इज 27. दिस इज ट्रू, राइट? एंड 3 इज रिलेटेड 2, दैट मीन्स implies 3 is less than equals to cube of 2 is 8. 3 is less than cube, this is true, but now 25 related A related C, that is the 25 related 2, that is the 25 is less than equals to 8. This is false. राइट? ये ट्रू है, ए रिलेटेड बी एंड बी रिलेटेड सी आपको ट्रू लेना है, बट ए रिलेटेड सी दिस इज फॉल्स। देयरफॉर आर इज नॉट ट्रांजिटिव रिलेशन। तो स्टूडेंट दिस क्वेश्चन, राइट, कि दैट रिलेशन आर इज नाइदर रिफ्लेक्सिव नॉट सिमेट्रिक एंड ट्रांजिटिव। नाउ सेम सपोज अगर आपके सामने ऑर्डर पेयर में कंडीशन होती है, ऑर्डर पेयर स्टूडेंट, दैट मीन्स दिस क्वेश्चन इज मैक्सिमम टाइम इन बोर्ड एग्जाम, राइट? A comma B, B comma C, AB is related CD, right? And then this is the condition, this is the NCERT exemplar, and now is again new question, reflexive में reflexive, symmetric and transitive, all relations prove, that means R is an equivalence relation. Now look here, today I have discussed is another example. Then condition is given, condition is given AB related CD implies A plus D equals to B plus C, and where AB and CD, this is two order pair, right, is belongs A cross A, and now set A is given 1, 2, 3 and so on, 9 numbers. And now for prove that R is an equivalence relation. Now look here to an equivalence relation. First thing, prove reflexive. So what is reflexive? Reflexive relation. Taking one element, that means taking one order pair, let AB is a belongs A cross A is given, right? Set A cross A. First element भी A को belongs कर रहा है, second भी. This is order pair. So now AB related AB, right? Apply कर दो AB related AB. कंडीशन में अप्लाई करें, कंडीशन को पहले आप समझ लीजिए. कंडीशन में दे रखा है AB related CD का मीनिंग दे रखा है A plus D, that is first and last set, equals to B plus C. So now AB related AB को कंडीशन में अप्लाई करेंगे, AB related AB, that means first and last, that means A plus B equals to B plus C, right? This is AB related AB. Therefore R is a reflexive relation, right? Same अगर आपको सिमेट्रिक रिलेशन प्रूव करना है, this is the reflexive relation कि AB related AB, so that means A plus B, this is true, right? This is true कि A plus B equals to B plus C, that means R is a reflexive. So this is true. Now second is a symmetric relation. This is symmetric relation. Now taking two elements, right? That means taking two order pair. One is the AB and another is the CD. It belongs A cross A. But symmetric की definition होती है A related B लेके चलो और B related A लेके आना है. That means आपको AB related CD आपको लेके चलना है और आपको लाना है CD related AB. तो AB related CD को कंडीशन में अप्लाई कर दो. फर्स्ट एंड लास्ट A plus D equals to B plus C. कंडीशन में देखिए अप्लाई किया, बट हमें ये मालूम होना चाहिए कि हमें CD रिलेटेड AB लाना है. CD रिलेटेड AB कंडीशन के अकॉर्डिंग हमारे पास में C plus B आना चाहिए. C plus B equals to D plus A. तो हमने इस A plus D equals to B plus C को B plus C equals to A plus D लिख सकते हैं. लिख सकते हैं कि नहीं लिख सकते? दिस इज इक्वल लॉ, राइट. और अब हमने इसको लिखने के बाद में, राइट, अब मैं इसको B plus C को क्या C plus B लिख सकता हूँ. दिस इज द कॉम्यूटेटिव लॉ इन एडिशन. A plus D को D plus A लिख दिया, और दिस इज द कंडीशन ऑफ CD इज रिलेटेड AB. देन अप्लाई कॉम्यूटेटिव लॉ इन एडिशन. You know student commutative law? Okay. Now, therefore, R is a symmetric relation. Now is the third, transitive relation. Student, transitive relation के लिए now taking three elements. One is the AB, second is CD, and third is EF. Taking three order pair, right? So there are third relation, transitive relation. That means transitive relation now taking three order pair AB, CD and EF is a belongs A cross A. अब ट्रांजिटिव की डेफिनेशन होती है A रिलेटेड B एंड B रिलेटेड C. ये आपको लेके चलना और क्या लेके आना, A रिलेटेड C. इसका मतलब AB रिलेटेड CD. नाउ टेकिंग AB रिलेटेड CD एंड now CD related EF. AB related CD को कंडीशन में अप्लाई करते हैं, फर्स्ट एंड लास्ट एडेड, सो A plus D equals to B plus C. कंडीशन में अप्लाई किया, दिस इज इक्वेशन फर्स्ट. बट नाउ इसको अप्लाई करेंगे तो C plus F equals to D plus C. This is equation second. For every AB is a CD and EF is a belongs A cross C. अब फ्रॉम फर्स्ट एंड सेकेंड हमें ये मालूम है कि भाई हमें लेके आना है A रिलेटेड C, मतलब AB रिलेटेड EF लाना है. दैट मीन्स A plus F equals to B plus E, राइट। अब अगर इन दोनों को सपोज करो मैं ऐड कर देता हूं, ऐड कर देंगे तो D से D कैंसिल हो जाएगा, राइट। C से C कैंसिल हो जाएगा, मतलब आपका रिजल्ट आ सकता है लेफ्ट टू लेफ्ट राइट, बट आपको लिखना ऐसे होगा ए बी रिलेटेड सी डी एंड सी डी रिलेटेड ई एफ, then implies now adding left hand side A plus D plus C plus F equals to B plus C plus D plus E. Then D to D cancel, right? C to C cancel. Now left is A plus F, right? Equals to B plus C. This is relation कि AB is related EF. Therefore, R is a transitive relation, and hence R is a reflexive, R is a symmetric, R is a transitive, and hence R is an equivalence relation. So student, this is relation topic is completed, right? Please any problem contact me. Thank you.